Is your vehicle suffering from discoloured or dull light lenses? Spoils the appearance of the vehicle, impairs the projection of light onto the road in front of you? At Lewis Vehicle Services, we can offer you a solution. From as little as £36 per pair, dependent on severity of the lens damage of course, we could save you hundreds of pounds not having to purchase new light units for your vehicle to avoid a major fail on a UK MOT inspection test of the light output. It could cost you less than you think. So get in contact with us and we could be able to light up the dark road in front of you, so to speak.